off to the finish line. After those 4 years of commitment and breakdowns, I'm passing through the arc once again. This time, leaving UST. I guess this is it.
Ayusin natin later, no? Again, I'm announcing that...
Gagana, wait. Full. Ganito pala dito sa UST. Tingnan mo, pinapakita ko yung picture nila lang. Hindi walang paalam, okay lang. Ito sila. Nag-exchange kami ng grad pick. Ito yung akin. Slay. Ang atake.
Basta by Tina,
Kakain muna kami. Meron kaming free jam. Any spoon and fork ba? Hindi naman ako mamamatay. Ano ba sabi mo? Sabi ko, akin siya.
These challenges with resilience and grace in all that we do. We pray for
Okay ko dito ko lang siya ilalagay sa'yo. Ganda try ko isa lang parang Uy, cash bills na? Portion. Slade! Masyado na po. Pagkalagay ko. Awag na. Okay mo. Okay na yan. Hindi na ako magdadagdag. Pupunta kami sa isang section. Oo, diba? Hindi ka nilagay ko kanina. Tingnan niyo sila. Paan? Slade. Mga ngapit-bahay. Mga ngapit-bahay kami. Samahan ko na lang sila. Ilan na lang yung ano? Ang dami. Hindi yung 16. Madami. Parang 16, 15, gano'n. Dito kami sa main building. Apat na lang meron. Walking. Muling lakad na natin to dito. Carpet. Ano ba yun? Ay, yung Julius.
Ay, si OA.
Punta kami ng Parma.
May copy ka ba?
Yung friend ko, alam search.
saw you in that corner with your dirty shoe. Then you put your apron on, and there's a long line waiting for you. What can I do for you? She said in front of my face, so I couldn't breathe.
Perfect! Graduating din na yan. Let's go! 4:36, parang lumabas kami, ano? Ano? 3:51. 3:51, so... Ano oras na ba? Mga 40 minutes na kami nandito. Super init kasi 4 p.m. Okay lang. Sarap sa Lifesaver. Ano siya? Cooling powder. Parang ako naka-aircon, guys. Sobrang init din na nyo.
Outside on Faculty of Medicine and Surgery.
Faculty of Pharmacy!
Faculty of Pharmacy. BS Pharmacy and BS Medical Technology programs certify the quality of education in these programs. And BS Medical Technology program is the first AUN QA certified program. Pharmacy takes pride in
Yeah, I saw you in that corner with your dirty shoe. Then you put your apron on, there's a long line waiting for you. What can I do for you? She said.
May video trivia. Pwede pumunta. Trivia. Something is not the same. Ito daw yung pros. Pwede mong tulungan mo ako. Ito guys. Yan. Suotin namin tas. Parang feel ko ano ba?
I saw you in that corner with your dirty shoe.
Magolis
Then you put your apron on, and there's a long line waiting for you. What can I do for you? She said in front of my face, so
It's
I
real, you
couldn't
know.
breathe.
The saying that your college life ends on the
Sweet
random
smile
after.
in your face, but
Well,
know
I
that
finally
you're
finished
just
college.
not